This is Project TNT, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specifications. TNT is finished in eggshell Keswick green with Nara bronze accents all around. TNT sits on 18-inch sawtooth wheels finished in Nara bronze with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a front-runner slimline roof rack, 2 LED round spotlights in the rear, a Cairn front bumper with LED running lights, and an E.C.D custom steering guard. Inside, TNT features a Momo Prototipio steering wheel with mole bomber gauges, 2 Recaro orthoped front and mid-row seats, and 2 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a single diamond Porsche Napa leather, stitched together in Garrett shade. This 110 is powered by our LT4 engine, 650 horsepower, with 8-speed automatic transmission. Project TNT also features an array of modern touches such as Infinity Kappa audio system, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, rear AC and access to USB ports throughout. This 110 is an absolutely stunning build. The eggshell green gives an almost military feel. The tailored bronze finish on the accents lets you know it's something rather special. This vehicle is even better in the flesh, and the sound from the LT4 is absolutely mind-blowing. A super build all round, credit to the owner.